As the colors of autumn spill across the world, every artist knows light and shadows tell the real story. When painting with watercolors, capturing those soft transitions, the warmth of the sunlight and the cool touch of shade can be tricky. That's where the breakdown feature in the Vinci Eye app becomes your secret weapon. With just a tap, your reference image is beautifully simplified into clear value layers. From the lightest glow to the deepest shadows, this helps you see exactly where to build your tones, one transparent wash at a time. Imagine layering those gentle yellows, those warm oranges, and those deep reds. Each brushstroke guided by the Vinci Eye, bringing your autumn scene to life with perfect balance and depth. Whether you're painting falling leaves, cozy still lifes, or golden sunsets, the breakdown feature helps you map out every highlight and shadow, even before your first stroke hits the paper. It's like having a digital art assistant right by your side, helping you slow down, observe, and truly see art in layers. So grab your brushes, your favorite warm drink, and let Vinci Eye guide your next watercolor masterpiece this fall. Try Vinci Eye now, where technology meets creativity.